Ha? Ang kakampi nyo, JM, tsaka Rudy. Si Pascual. Si Eric. Tsaka si Marky. Okay, game. Okay, 2 points by Eric. Score 2-0. Patrick, pinasa kay John. Binalik kay Patrick. Uy, sayang. Pascual. JM to Pascual. 12 seconds to shoot. Pagkalinawan, 2 points. Mukha na pagpagsanip pagkalinawan. Score 4-0. Nice, Christopher, mukhang diretso. Rebound by Marky to Eric. Eric sumalaksak. Uy! Hindi na-anticipate ni Pascual. Ang ganda sana. Nice, ang ganda. Ang ganda lang ng depensa ni Pascual. 8 seconds. Robin, no good. Rebound by Eric. To JM. JM, no good. Robin. Mukhang ide-diretso ni Robin. Robin, nice. Lead by JM. Pascual to pagkalinawan. Pagkalinawan is good. Score 6-0. Steal, good ha? Nice hustle by JM. Eric. Pinasa kay Marky. Marky, ang ganda ng drop. Nice shot. Score 6-2. Nice D by Robin. Good. Walang tawag. Bawal po sa atin ang lane po. No good by Patrick. JM. Itong pagkalinawan. No good. Rebound by Robin. Robin, ang ganda. Nahiwaan daan. Sayang. Eric. To Marky. Pinali kay Eric. Ang ganda naman. Pascual. Libre. Blanca lang. Robin. No good. Marky, nice drop. Pagkalinawan. 2 points. Score 8-2. John, ang ganda, Blanca, pero nice. Karina, pinasa kay Christopher, 2 points. Score 8-4. Hindi na bibigyan pa si Serjan, pag yan pumuto. JM, no good. Nice rebound by Pascual. Nice block by Robin Sabo. 8 seconds to shoot. To Eric. Nice extra pass. Marky, 3 points. Score 11-4. Okay, number 17 ulit. No good. Rebound by Eric. Pull up is good. Score 13-4. No good. Buti, the rest si Christopher. Score 36. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Eric, pinasa kay JM. To Eric, 14 seconds to shoot. Ang ganda ng pasampu ng kabilang team. Good daw, good, walang tawag. Sir John. Nice, ang ganda ng ikon, nice. Good. 10 seconds. Robin, rebound by Eric. Eric to pagkalinawan na ipit na wala. Sayang. Robin to Christopher. 3! Bagong Arsenal yun. Score 39. 13-9, apat ang kalamangan na Team Marquee. Ang ganda. Kinapos lang. Rebound by Robin. Last 46 seconds. Robin, nagdi-dribble. Ipapasa ka. Pinasa ka. Christopher, nice shot. Score 13-11. Sayang. 2 points by Sir John. Score 13. Time out, Team Marquee. Isa na lang po, time out nila. Time remaining 1 minute 16 seconds. Grabe yung run. Score. All 13. Grabe yung tres. Okay, back to the ball game. Wait lang, may umiinom lang ha. Umiinom lang si Sir Robin. Bola. Score all 13 lang ha. Walang dapat ang pag-alala. Pero yung bawal magpapangkante. Marquee 3 by Marquee Miles. Score 16-13. Mukha na pagpag na ni Marquee. Kung naka-Mercules, maalat eh. Last 1 minute. Ballesteros, pinas, Karina, no good. Nakuha ni pagkalinawan. Last 50 seconds. To Eric. Pagkalinawan, binalik kay Eric. Wow! Sayang. Good po yun, good. Hindi po tinatawagan ng travel yun. 18-13. Good na po yun. Last 33 seconds. Ballesteros to Sir John. Ang ganda. Sayang. Last 24 seconds. Eric to Pascual, na puwersa. Buti na doon si Kalinawan. 12 seconds. Mukhang maganda yung pagkaka-time out na yun ha. 8 seconds. Karingal. No good. Rebound by Sir John. 2 points. 2.3 seconds. And okay, change court. Score 20-15. Lamang ng 5 ang Team Marquee.
Sorry bossing, ayaw pala.
Ang haba, natatiming ang eh. Nakakalibre ka, nakakamuha siya sa ilalim. Score ang 20-15. 5 ang kalamangan ng Team Marquee. Kaya si CM. Okay, game na po tayo ha. Bola po dito. Okay, game na po tayo. Bola ng team Christopher. Christopher to Ballesteros. Ballesteros, no good. Nakuha ni Robin. Robin, 2 points. Score 17-20. Number 8. Number George, no good. Rebound by Pascual. Iba talaga pag mayroon energy man. 10 seconds. George. 5 seconds. JM, no good. Robin, mukhang isasalaksak. Robin, oy, sayang. Nakuha pa rin ni Robin. Robin, try again is good. Score 19-20. Dadadali na pass break ng Team Mark, Team Christopher. Pagkalinawan, no good. Nakuha ni Sir John. Nice shot! Ang ganda naman nun. 21-20. Pagkalinawan, ang ganda ng pasa. Sayang. Pascual, nakita si Marky. Marky, no good. Pagkalinawan, back, no good. 5 seconds. Okay, nakuha ni Eric. 8 seconds. JM, 3 points. 21-23. Ang ganda ng palitan. Nice shot. All 23. Pagkalinawan, no good. Pagkalinawan. Pero Pascual, sayang. Para kami abuelo kung naglalaro si Pascual. Nice, Marky. Ang ganda, pero may foul. Oh, si Sir Jan. Okay. JM, no good. Good. Rebound by Robin. Robin. Ang ganda naman. Sayang. Marky, no good. Natapik, nakuha ni Karingal. Karingal nagmamadali. Karingal, ang ganda ng pasa. Hindi nasa loob. Ang ganda sana ng transition na yon. Nakatalikod, Karingal. Isa pa. Robin, easy 2. 25-23. JM. Marky, no good. Rebound by Robin. Ang ganda yata. Oy, sayang. Sayang. No good. Karingal. Oy, sayang. Dalawa lang po ang kalamangan ng Team Christopher. Eric, no good. Natapos na Blanca. Nakuha. Eric, no good. Rebound by Pagkalinawan. 2 points. Score all 25. Sir John, ang ganda, 2 points na, ang ganda-ganda. 27-25. Dalawang patay ng Team Christopher, isa na lang ang Team Marky. Nice steal. Unselfish. Nakakuha ni JM. George, no good. Susubok ulit. Iyon. Oh, 27. Ballesteros. Pinasa kay Christopher. 3! Grabe, 2 out of 2 si Christopher sa 3 points. Eric. To JM. Nice pick. JM. Layo. 1 minute 55 seconds. Walang kumukuha. Backcourt violation. Sayang. Nasa area na receive yung bola eh. Wala pa. Hindi ka pa nakaapa. Tatlo lang ang hinahabol ng Team Marking Hands. Eric. Ang ganda naman nun. Ang ganda rin ang tira. 2 points away from Kalinawan. Score 30-29, 1 minute 25 seconds. Ang ganda. Ballesteros. 12 seconds. Ano ba? Oh, 1 minute 14 seconds, 14 to shoot. Good po yan, wala tayong first ball. Wala tayong first ball. Hindi, pag gano'n, huwag mo papasa. Paalala ko lang, pag nagko-complain, huwag nyo ibibigay yung bola. Good po kasi yun. Score 30-31. Karingan, no good, nakuha ni Pascual to Eric. Last 55 seconds, 14 to shoot. Pagkalinawan, no good. Last 48 to Serjan. Patay kayo, okay pa. Ba, good. Ang ganda, Robin. Ay, sayang. Rebound may Robin. Okay, Paul. Holding. 2 free throws. John. 35.3 seconds. 2 free throws. Okay, wait lang ha. Wait lang. Wait lang po, wait lang. Okay, game. Wait lang po. Game. 35.3 seconds, ha? First shot, no good. Last shot. Score all 31, no need to foul. Oh, 35.3 seconds. No need to foul, mahaba pa yung ano. Eric. Eight seconds. JM 3. Time out. Okay, 16 seconds. Ten seconds. .8 seconds. 3.8 seconds. Okay.